If Fotor says it failed to save your photo, don't worry, but in this video I'm going to show you the quickest fixes step by step so you can export your image successfully without the frustration. This is a really common issue, and it usually comes down to the save location, locked pro assets, network interruptions, file name problems, or image format settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot it and get your photo downloaded properly. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, change the target save path. This is one of the most common reasons Fotor fails to save. When you click the download button, Fotor opens the export prompt, and that's where you want to choose a local folder on your device. Pick something simple like your desktop or downloads folder. Avoid saving directly into cloud-synced folders like OneDrive, iCloud, or Google Drive because those locations can sometimes block write permissions while the export is happening. External drives can also cause issues if the connection is unstable or permissions are limited, so for the smoothest result, keep it local and simple, then try to download again. Next, check for locked pro assets. If your design contains premium content, Fotor may block the export on a free account. Look through your canvas layers, backgrounds, and elements for anything marked with a diamond icon or a Fotor watermark. Those usually indicate pro stock photos, premium fonts, or pro AI filter effects. If any of those are in your project, free accounts may not be allowed to download the final image. The easiest fix is to remove the pro asset and replace it with a free alternative. If you need to keep those premium elements, upgrading to a pro plan will unlock the export option. This step is really important because sometimes the save error is not a technical issue at all. It's just a permission restriction. Now, let's fix network timeouts and API blocks. Since Fotor relies on cloud rendering, a weak or interrupted connection can stop the export process. Start by turning off any active VPN or proxy service. Those tools can sometimes interfere with the connection between your browser and Fotor's servers. Also pause any strict ad blockers or privacy extensions like uBlock Origin or AdGuard because they may block the requests Fotor needs to complete the save. If you're on Windows, open Command Prompt and run ipconfig/flushdns to clear your DNS cache. That can help reset the connection and give Fotor a clean handshake with its export servers. After that, refresh the page and try saving again. Another easy fix is to simplify the file name. Sometimes the save fails because the export dialog is using a file name that contains special characters or unsupported symbols. Before clicking download, rename the image to something short and plain. Remove characters like hash marks, percent signs, ampersands, @ signs, slashes, or accent marks. A simple name like edited photo 1 is much safer than a long name with symbols. File system encoding errors are more common than people think, especially when the export path is already complicated. So keep the name clean, short, and alphanumeric. Then try the export one more time. If it still won't save, adjust the image format and resolution. High-resolution canvases and heavy layer effects can push the export pipeline too hard, especially on larger designs. Try switching the export format from PNG to JPG or from JPG to PNG, depending on what you're currently using. You can also lower the quality slider a little or reduce the output dimensions slightly before exporting. If your project has lots of layers, effects, or detailed elements, reducing the size can make a big difference. This helps bypass memory limits and gives the canvas a better chance of finishing the save successfully. So to recap, if Fotor failed to save your photo, first change the save location to a local folder, then check for any pro assets, clear out network blockers like VPNs or ad blockers, simplify the file name, and finally adjust the image format or resolution. These 5 fixes solve the majority of export problems without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tips and software guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and let me know exactly where the save process is failing, and I'll help you figure it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.